Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today we're going to get a quick overview of SanDisk iXpand Flash Drive Go. And if you're giving a smaller iPhone this year or a smaller iPad to somebody, they're going to need some extra storage space. And you don't want to have to keep paying Apple for their iCloud storage. So what you can do is go to SanDisk and get one of these. It's a Lightning port connector and a USB 3.0 connector on the other side. So you could plug it into your iDevice and then your laptop or your desktop. And this one is 256 gigabytes of storage. So save yourself a couple $100 on storage of the phone or iPad. Get one of these and you'll be set to go, and you won't have to be paying those Apple fees every month for iCloud storage. You just get one of these and you can back up anywhere without an internet connection. This is the SanDisk iXpand Flash Drive Go with 256 gigabytes of storage. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, I'm 24K on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you.